W20 CNC Controller 5 Explanation of Tool Setting Methods for Turning Tools. In MDI mode, tool number 1 is loaded with the tool. For example, B111 is the knife number 70x. X is based on the outer diameter of the material. Load and execute. Start with the chuck clamp. Under normal circumstances, the knife number will automatically move forward. Install the turning tool. The surface of the material in contact with the tip of the knife. Hold the tool and use a size 6 open-end wrench to tighten the screw. After completing the operation, the X direction is aligned. Next, adjust the Z direction. Modify the MDI program.
T1111M3 increase rotational speed.
Then execute. We can see that the spindle is already rotating. Handwheel mode, switch the screen to knife no 1C1 axis, and let the knife tip touch the end face of the material. Slow down a little when you get close. Until iron filings flew out. Looking back at the Z-axis in the image displays 17.82, which is an absolute coordinate and is not correct. Return to mechanical coordinates page. Tools. Knife length.
Number 11 knife number. Minus 33.447.
Enter the relevant values. The absolute value coordinate in the Z direction below becomes 0.01, indicating that tool setting is complete. Switch back to the coordinate screen. Cutting end face. There are tail nails here, and there are obvious protrusions. Prove that there is a problem with the center of the cutting tool under the center position is incorrect. You can loosen the screws on the front head. There are also two countersunk screws. Used to adjust the center height. Remember to tighten the adjusted screws. Test again, and if there are no errors, it means that the debugging is complete.